Hello, my friend. Welcome to English Vids. Let's practice together. Weather vocabulary with sentences. Listen and repeat after me. Sunny. The sky is clear and sunny today. The sky is clear and sunny today. We will go to the beach because it's sunny. Rainy. It's rainy outside. Don't forget your umbrella. I love reading books on rainy days. Cloudy. Cloudy. The sky is cloudy and gray. It might rain later because it's so cloudy. Windy? Windy? It's very windy. Hold on to your hat. The leaves are blowing everywhere because it's windy. Snowy. Snowy. It is snowy in winter where I live. It is snowy in winter where I live. We can build a snowman because it's snowy. Stormy. Stormy. The weather is stormy. Stay indoors. The sea is rough and stormy today. Foggy. Foggy. It was so foggy this morning that I couldn't see the road. Be careful driving when it's foggy. Hot. Hot. It's really hot today. Let's go swimming. I need a cold drink 'cause it's so hot. I need a cold drink 'cause it's so hot. Cold. It's cold outside. Wear a coat. It's cold outside. Wear a coat. The air is cold and crisp. The air is cold and crisp. Humid. Humid. It's very humid today. My hair is frizzy. It's very humid today. My hair is frizzy. The air feels heavy and humid. The air feels heavy and humid. Dry. Dry. The desert is very dry. The desert is very dry. My skin gets dry in the winter. My skin gets dry in the winter. Wet. The ground is still wet from the rain. The ground is still wet from the rain. My shoes are wet after walking through the puddles. My shoes are wet after walking through the puddles. Warm. The weather is warm and pleasant. The weather is warm and pleasant. I prefer warm days to cold ones. I prefer warm days to cold ones. Cool. It's cool in the evening. You'll need a jacket. It's cool in the evening. You'll need a jacket. The breeze feels cool and refreshing. The breeze feels cool and refreshing. Freezing. It's freezing outside. The temperature is below 0. It's freezing outside. The temperature is below 0. The pond is freezing over. The pond is freezing over. Mild. Mild. The weather is mild today, not too hot or cold. The weather is mild today, not too hot or cold. We had a mild winter this year. Thunder. Thunder. I heard thunder during the storm last night. I heard thunder during the storm last night. Thunder can be very loud and scary. Thunder can be very loud and scary. Lightning.
We saw lightning flash across the sky. We saw lightning flash across the sky.
Lightning struck a tree near our house. Lightning struck a tree near our house. Breeze. Breeze. There's a nice breeze blowing. There's a nice breeze blowing. The breeze keeps the temperature comfortable. The breeze keeps the temperature comfortable. Hail. Hail. It started to hail during the storm. It started to hail during the storm. Hail can damage cars and roofs. Hail can damage cars and roofs.